our latest style of cassette air conditioner. Here we go. This is our outdoor unit, all made of copper pipes. In addition, after our team's round-the-clock research, we have decided to match it with triple inverter technology to achieve fast cooling. Finally, let's talk about the issue of power consumptions that everyone is most concerned about. As we use triple inverter technology, our air conditioners are much more energy efficiency than those in the market. If you want to know more information, feel free to contact me anytime. Thank you.